Have you been looking for a ranch-style home with open floor plan with no HOA in the greater Greenville area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of our listing right here at 314 Catterick Way in Fountain Inn, South Carolina. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And we get calls from people like you all the time looking to make a move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate area. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. All of our contact information are in the description box below. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right, let's check out 314 Catterick Way right here in Fountain Inn, South Carolina. Almost 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a really nice home. Let's check it out. All right, so it's located on a cul-de-sac street. All right, so the cul-de-sac is right over there. Pretty good sized driveway here, so you can get a couple of cars, 4 cars on the outside here, obviously 2 inside. And like I said, it's the 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2-car garage. There is no HOA in this neighborhood. The property does back up to Fountain Inn property, which leads to the Swamp Rabbit Trail, which is about 50 yards or something like that behind this property. And I'll show you where that is as well, okay? All right, so let's go inside. It's pretty cool. You have the different color garage doors there. So as you approach here, you got nice stone on the front here, around the front door. And as you come in, you got the nice entryway and open floor plan. And these are actually 10-foot ceilings right in this living area. You got some good natural light coming through here. And you got the nice little peninsula coming out from the kitchen countertop here. You've got it on both sides. So right over there is the sink and pantry closet here. Stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave, plenty of lights in here. You've got 2 pendant lights coming down here, 2 pendant lights coming down on this side over here, more cabinet space around the refrigerator there. And you got the dining area, nice little brushed nickel chandelier. And obviously you've got, it's nice to have this opening here, so you've got, natural light coming in, and the blinds are also attached to the door here, okay? We'll take a quick peek out here, but we'll go outside in a moment. So covered patio area here. Nice private backyard. We'll check that out a little bit more in a moment. So this home here is very conveniently located, easy access to Simpsonville, short drive to downtown Greenville, and this is very conveniently located. So, all right, let's check out the rest of the house. All right, so right over here, this door here goes out to the 2-car garage, which does have automatic door opener. Kind of full right now because these folks are in the process of moving. You've got the closet here. This is the coat closet. Nice wide hallway. Hallway is pretty wide here. And bedroom number 2. We'll go to the primary bedroom in a moment. Closet right here to the left. And to the right here, you got the bathroom. And that's the vinyl on the floor in there. Tub shower. And bedroom number 3 here. Closet right behind there. And these bedrooms are pretty decent size too, like 12 by 10, 12 by 11. Walk-in laundry. Again, vinyl, roll vinyl on the floor. The primary bedroom. Ceiling fan in the ceiling. A couple of windows here, and then some natural light. Primary bathroom. You got double sinks here. Okay. You got some drawers and cabinet doors, and second sink on this side. Water closet. Okay, and a 5-foot shower. It's got a little sitting area in the shower there, and that goes into the walk-in closet. It's kind of packed right now with stuff, but it is a not very huge walk-in closet, but it's a walk-in closet. All right, so let's go check out the backyard. All right, so backyard, you come out here, again, the covered patio. Good sized backyard. The land back there belongs to the city of Fountain Inn, and we're gonna walk over to the Swamp Rabbit Trail here to go check that out. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tour. Now, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give us a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can scan that QR code or click the link below to schedule a time to chat with me. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care. Bye.